Welcome to Leslie's Love and Oven. I'm Leslie, and today I'm featuring my recipe for a panzanella salad. It's simple and easy to put together. It's Tuscan-inspired, made with bread and tomatoes, but I'm adding a few extra ingredients to put my own twist on it. Let me show you what you'll need to make the panzanella salad. So you'll need some bread, a couple of ripe tomatoes, some fresh basil, cucumber, a little bit of onion, and then I like to add a little bit of mozzarella. And then for the dressing, you'll need some olive oil and red wine vinegar. So on this cookie sheet, I have some day-old ciabatta bread that I cut up into bite-sized cubes, and I'm going to drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil and pop it into a 375-degree oven for about 10 to 12 minutes until it turns golden brown. Okay, so I have all my ingredients prepped and ready to go. Let me show you how I like to assemble this salad. In a big shallow bowl, I have 2 garden-sized tomatoes chopped into bite-sized pieces, and next I'm going to add in my chopped up cucumber and a little bit of sweet onion. Now I like to add a little bit of olive oil, a couple drizzles over the top, and then a little bit of red wine vinegar, a couple splashes over the top, and then mix that in. Oh, look at those nice colors. Very fresh. I kind of like to get these coated first before I add in the toasted bread, and then finish it with a little bit more olive oil and red wine vinegar. So let's do that next. The bread has been toasted and it's going in over the top. And I like to add the bread immediately before I'm serving this salad, so it can soak up all of the ingredients. And again, I'm going to add a little more olive oil, a splash of red wine vinegar, give that a good stir, making sure everything's coming up from the bottom, and it's going to start to soak into those toasted bread cubes and really give the salad a wonderful flavor with the crunch and all of the garden vegetables. And then I like to add in some small mozzarella pearl size pieces to give it another layer of flavor. And it gives it a little bit more color. And give that a stir. That's looking great. And to finish our salad, I like to add a little bit of fresh chopped basil right over the top, again to give it that pop of color and another layer of flavor. And I finish it with a little pinch of salt. And then to finish it, I like to add a little bit of fresh cracked pepper. And a little garnish of basil right on the top. And there you go, a simple summer salad that's so colorful and delicious. Well, as good as this salad looks, I think it needs something a little extra special. And I've got just the thing. It needs the secret ingredient, a little extra love. Sprinkle it on generously. Time to eat. And now my favorite part, time to give it a taste. I love all the colors in this salad. So pretty. And what a great way to use up day-old bread if you have any. Okay. Mmm. That is so refreshing. I love the fresh taste of the cucumbers with the juicy tomatoes, and then you get a little crunch of that crouton and the basil just rounds it out perfectly. So this panzanella salad travels great if you're headed to a picnic, or makes a wonderful side dish if you're having a casual dinner with friends in the yard. So for the complete recipe, please visit us at leslieslovinoven.com. And until next time, bon appetit!